Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. If you want to make your own electricity, your own solar pool heater, if you want to make a solar furnace, click on the links down below. Today, we are at Gilmore Car Museum at Hickory Corners. It's near Kalamazoo, Michigan. And I want to show you the 1906 Waltham Orient Buckboard. Look at that beautiful car. Isn't that amazing or what? That is spectacular history. Look at that little motor back there. Belt driven. Amazing. I'm going to read it. Wow. Can you imagine lighting the candle to see where you're going? Light the candles. 1906 Waltham Orient Buckboard. 1 cylinder. Air-cooled, 4 horsepower. Wow. The cheapest automobile in the world. Everyone should have one. In 1893, Waltham Manufacturing produced its first vehicle, one Orient brand bicycle. They entered the automotive field in 1905 with the introduction of the inexpensive buckboard. The simple auto featured a natural oak body, bicycle-style tires, tiller steering, and a friction drive which required no shifting of gears, promoting the buckboard as a car of utmost simplicity. The company claimed even a 10-year-old could fully understand and operate it. I'm going to walk around. It's going to be a little shaky, but I want to see the whole thing. There's your bicycle tires. You probably see this one better. Sweet. Again, Gilmore Car Museum near Kalamazoo, Michigan. And have a nice sunny day.